आर्थिक वर्ष 2025-2026 हा खातीर पणजे महापालिकेन 120 कोटीचो अर्थसंकल्प सादर केला। ह्या फावट पणजेंतल्या विविध विकासा कामां खातीर 15 ते 20 कोटी रुपया खर्च करतले म्हूण म्हायती महापौर रोहित मनसेरात हांणी दिल्या। जाल्यार आदले महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो म्हणटा ह्या फावट अर्थसंकल्प फक्त कॉपी कट पेस्ट आसा। RDX ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Yeah, so the budget details I will give you. The revenue is around 120 crores, expenditure will corresponding around 118 crores. So this year we are planning on spending at least our development outlay should be between maybe 15 to 20 crores that we're spending throughout the city. We have plans on refurbishing all of our existing infrastructure, all our existing gardens. We want to do the Karanzale Garden Children's Park, that also is going to be done. We want to spend significant amounts on the Santini Cemetery, the Karanzale Fish Market, we want to redo that. So we're going to spend a lot of money this year in terms of development. So in terms of all the savings and in terms of all the revenue increases also Commissioner has mentioned earlier. So CCP is in a very good financial position. We have not touched any of our FDs. We've got significant, our recovery has been the highest out of any of the years. We finalized our lease market agreements, not market agreements, the market procedures and formalities, the property is finally in our possession. So we intend on pursuing the lease agreement or live-in license depending on what the council requires. So based on that, yeah, that is a general...
Sir, any loss due to smart city work?
No, so the budget has gone up by say around 30 crores I did on this thing as per... so we'll know now based on what the actual revenue collected is. But as far as our thing, all our payments and everything, I think we're not delayed on any of our payments on any of those issues. And yeah, in a healthy financial position.
When will we be building a CCP?
See, Baba, I need space for the building also. CM has allocated only one floor. And this itself is a two-story building. So we do not have place to fit in our existing, and it has to be in a convenient place where people can access. So we are trying now to get additional spaces. All the other government buildings have all been given out to different departments. So space now is a major thing. In terms of procedure also, we are almost done or done with all of our space is a major thing. I'm also waiting. No, I want a new building. The rebar and everything is showing also. I don't know how long this building will last. So in terms of National Theatre also now, as mentioned, it's sub-judice with the secretary. In terms of the market again, we have got the property onto our name. That has never been done. It's been done now. So everything is either in final processes or has almost been done.
लास्ट टाइम तुम्ही बजेट प्रेझेंट केलं तर कितलं तुम्ही रिकव्हरी केली? लास्ट बजेट
Recovery?
लास्ट बजेट लास्ट बजेट तुम्ही मांडलेलं होय कितल्यापर्यंत तुम्ही हे केलं?
That is around 9800 crores or something.
They said it increased by 30 crores.
Last year it was some 98 crores. They collected 68 crores. Again, this time it is some 98 crores. It's very easy to say, but does collection come? House tax, around 80 crores outstanding house tax. But they show that this money will come. You know?
Why it is outstanding till last tax?
I don't know.
CCP failed to collect the house tax.
I don't know. You have to ask them. You have to ask the ATO and AU and the commissioner why it is not coming. When I was the mayor, I called my ATO and I said, which are the central governments and banks who have not paid a house tax? I want a list. He gave me the list. Next day I called all my media friends and said, I didn't name. I said, central government offices and banks owe CCP so many crores rupees as house tax and trade license. If this money doesn't come within a week, CCP will seal. Next morning, everybody came, including the income tax office. I got from income tax office 45 lakhs.
Are you satisfied with the new fish market which was
Yes, but people are complaining that the water is still there.
पळोवपाक बरें दिसता. आतां एक्चुअल कितें आसा तें बाब सुरेन बाबान मिटिंगेक पॉयंट आवट केल्लें आसा. म्हणल्यार आमी आनी तेजेर कांय उलोवना कित्याक तेणें एकूच तो पॉयंट हायलायट केला. गेल्या वर्सा मी 96 हे दाखयल्ले क्रोर्स आनी आतां तुमचो तो फरक जो जाला डेप्रिसिएट जाला तो परत केला 36 कितें काय 46. सुरेन बाब कितें केलें 36 क्रोर्स काय 46 क्रोर्स कमी शॉर्टेज हय. म्हणजे तेणें तें हें केलां पूण बाकीचो फिगर वायज पळयत जाल्यार फिगर बरें आसा हेजेर तरी बरें दिसता. हेजेर अष्टमीच्या फेरीक तेंच्यांनी 1 crore 10 लाख म्हणजे हायेस्ट इन गोवा रेट वाडोवन तेंच्यांनी आमच्या टायमार रेट सामको कमी आसतलो पर स्क्वेअर मिटर आमचो रेट दवरतालो आनी आतां रेट वाडयलो आनी लोकूय येता घेता स्टॉलां म्हणटा तो ऑटोमॅटीक तो रेवन्यू वाडलो बाकीचे कितें जे येवपाचें आसा मार्केटान सान मार्केटाचें अजुनूय एग्रीमेंट जावना आतांच आमी डिस्कस केला त्या प्रमाणे तुजी तो जो प्लॉट आसा तो आमच्या नांवान नासलो थोडो पोर्शन आमचो आसलो थोडो पोर्शन हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट आसलो थोडो पोर्शन PWD आसलो आमच्या टायमार सुरेन मेयर आसतना ट्राय केल्ली आमी हें करपाक हें चालू आसलें म्हाज्या टायमार केल्लो आनी आतां तो मेयरान सांगला त्या प्रमाणे आतां लेटेस्ट तो आमच्या नांवार जालो म्हणून आतां लीव एंड लायसन एग्रीमेंट काय लीज एग्रीमेंट हो इशू आसा कमिशनरान सांगला फुडल्या मिटिंगेक ते आमी हाडटा आनी हांगा फायनल करता म्हणून एकदां तें जर जालें जाल्यार आमकां रेवन्यू जे आउटस्टँडींग बी आमचें आसा म्हणजे जवळ जवळ कमिशनरान फिगर सांगल्यात त्या कोटे 30 ते 35 कोटी आमकां येवं शकता